All right, so I'm finally wearing these robot glasses. I hate them on me. I really hate them. They're so ugly on me. But we're going with it for the video. Now, oh, cool. Lighting. Let's go with these. Hey guys. No, cheesy. Okay, first of all, can we just say how cute these glasses are? You know, if you've been watching, I have them in the pink shade. Target $14.95, and I am obsessed. I don't know why. I'm just loving the colors. If you know me at all, you know that I like to dress up. You know I love being a girl. I love fashion, but I really, really, really love being comfortable, and I love sporty looks. I love men's departments. I am all about comfort. But of course, I enjoy wearing heels, dressing up, looking cute, you know, getting ready and all that on an everyday basis. Like, who has time for that? So I truly, truly, truly love going to the men's departments because they just make like the shirts so much better. I don't know why they are so reluctant to make women's t-shirts like in the same kind of cut. I don't know. I guess it depends on the store. And the ones that do, like, let's say like Urban Outfitters, Adidas, or, you know, like more expensive places, but like for like an H&M and stuff, I feel like the men's department is so much better when you're looking for that like sporty look. So today I'm going to show you what I do for my t-shirts that I've been like kind of feeling lately, to kind of make it like a women style men's t-shirt, sporty, luxe, trench, bougie on a budget type video. Don't feel like you have to spend a lot of money to make a t-shirt look good or get like a sporty looking vibe. Like, you don't have to go out and spend, I don't even know how much they cost, like $30 for an Adidas t-shirt. Though get something like a hat. Like, I'll show you, I have the Adidas hat. If you're gonna buy something, buy one thing that you can kind of wear with all different. See, I have the leggings, and I just get a bunch of different plain tops and it just changes up the look. Or you can wear plain sporty leggings, like plain black leggings. Not everything has to be full on Nike, full on Adidas, like, no. All right, so I am cutting the t-shirt here, clearly. This one is in a size large. I did get a size small and a size extra large. I wanted to just kind of see which size I liked. And also because I'm gonna cut each of these in different lengths, I thought maybe they would just have a different look to them. So the black one is a large. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the sleeves just slightly. I just wanted to have like a different look for this one. It shows you more of your arm as well. So all that I did was cut along the seam. All of your t-shirts are gonna have that, and it just helps if it's like a guide for a straight line. So that's all I did. This side's left alone, which still looks good if you wanted to leave it like that. That's what I did with the purple one. But then this side's just a little bit shorter, so it shows more of the arm, and you can even cut higher if you want. But with cutting it on the seam line, it'll at least be somewhat even all around. Well, it is even all around, but it's gonna naturally just like roll up like this does. So, but it kind of goes with this. It looks like you bought it that way, and I don't know, I like it. Some people are like crazy with cutting and they want it to be exactly perfect, but I don't really care. I feel like it looks like disheveled kind of vibe, you know? So this is a nice look too, but you get to see a little bit more arm on this side. I'm gonna cut the other side now. That is the finished look. Doesn't it kind of look like you just bought an Adidas sporty shirt? Like, if it said Adidas, it would totally be. I feel like it is. But it's $7.99 from H&M men's section. Also, I want to say this look really goes well with like a higher waist, because if I was just, these were just low cut, then it would just be showing too much. It's not that flattering, honestly. I feel like with regular leggings, like the higher leggings, it looks good. This is just sweatpants I got from, where did I get these? Cotton On? And they're high and I tie them. I don't know, I just feel like it looks more sporty, you know? Sorry if the lighting is really bad. So this is the purple one. And this one's cut a lot longer, which I like too. Because if you are wearing something that's low cut, you can see it more, but you still, like, when you lift your arm, can see it kind of has that like boyish feel, but not exposing too much. And then the arms are extra long, which also makes it look very boyish and just like very, I don't know, it's very comfortable and sporty looking, so I really like it. It's really just eyeing it out. I don't have like a measurement or anything. You just go by what you think looks good. I guess starting off longer is best so that you can always cut more. Yeah, this size is actually, I think, an extra large too, which I wanted to be really oversized. The black one isn't a large. And then I had another shirt. I don't know if you watched my latest vlog, you would have seen, wait, was it on my vlog? On my Instagram story. I was talking about how I got a shirt and my husband took it from me. And anyway, so I'm not showing you that one today. But this one, this is what made me do this in the first place, because I bought this, like, you've seen me wear this in my vlogs. I'm like obsessed. And I love the color. This is also from H&M. This one is in a size small. And I just loved the color of it. I thought it was so like Yeezy looking. This one I think was like $5.99 or $6.99 too. But it was longer, and what it was like on the bottom of it was kind of too tight on my waist, like on my butt area. So that's what made me cut it. Okay, sorry that it's so wrinkled, but I don't know, wasn't prepared for this. So this is just such a nice color. I think it's just, I wanted to find other colors similar to this. I just love like how basic it is. So this length to me is just long enough to like kind of tuck into your jeans if you're wearing jeans that day. Wear it with leggings, wear it with Adidas pants. You know, you can pretty much wear this with anything. I've worn it with a denim skirt, high-waisted skirt, and tucked it in. So it's not like cropped, it's semi-cropped, but it's long enough where you can wear it with regular jeans or skirts or whatever and just tuck it. You can't beat $6.99. You know, any sword, it's just great to go into the men's section. So, okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful to you and made you want to go out and head over to the men's department or go to TJ Maxx or a thrift store or wherever and just find some oversized t-shirts that you can make your own. Other than that, I would really love it if you subscribed if you're not already. So check out my channel, my content, see if you're feeling the vibe. And also click on the notification bell. Excuse me. To get notified when I upload a video. Oh my gosh. And also if you want to follow me on other social networks, everything is linked below. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Ciao.